Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching EncycloHub. Our company provides all the solutions related to any homework, any type of questions. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp, which is 900-936-8238. By messaging, you will get all the answers on your WhatsApp within a day. And the question number 4 is here, which is the comment on the following statements. An international business firm should not monitor the foreign country's trade, monetary, and balance of payments account. A major problem with laws in different countries is that the legal systems of the world are harmonized. Globalization has not influenced the Indian economy. FDI does not help in accelerating the rate of economic growth of the host country. So you have a 4 points and you have to just talk about the comment on these 4 topics and so if you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide all the solution within a day, within a time. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you soon in the next video.